Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Muhammad Syakir Suhairi bin Muhammad Azini, and my metric number is 277980. I will present my project, which is a UM clinic management system. Okay, this is our project stakeholder, which is me. I'm Muhammad Syakir Suhairi bin Muhammad Azini is a project manager, and Azilna Ali is a client, and Pusat Kesihatan Universiti PKU is a sponsor. Okay, next is our background. Clinic management system provide more customized function that make it easier to cope with in smaller healthcare center. In short, a clinical management system CMS handle the organization of data including but not limited to patient records, appointment, prescription, physician schedule, inventory management, and more. It makes the normally difficult task of organizing a center somewhat more manageable. In the system, staff and doctors can check their upcoming schedules, appointment, and even patient medication records. It is a lighter version of the management system used by large clinics, but with more need-based functionality that varies by clinic specialty. Okay, this is the partner challenge and opportunity. Among the challenges that occur with doing this project was that it was difficult to get information relate to clinic management. This is because the research information is very difficult for clinic to disclose to outsiders. Besides, the clinic with many patients make it difficult for me to meet with the staff to ask questions related to my project. One of the opportunities I got while running this project was being able to find out what the real way of management is in the clinic and being able to find out the staff wants to improve the management system in the clinic. Okay, next is a measurable organization value MOV. First is cost saving, optimizing the software used in the system cases system maintenance cost that cause high production cost. By using the right software in the system, you can save production cost while using the clean system. Next is increased patient certification. By using a quick and fast system, this project can lead to patient certification because they do not have to wait long for them to see the doctor. Okay, next is increased productivity. With the use of the systematic and fast system can lead to increased productivity of the clinic. Okay, this is our project scope. First, systematic use of the system. A system that is used systematically can help staff find patient information quickly without making patient wait a long time to see a doctor. Next is ensuring the system is free for errors. With the help of UMIT, the system we run can quickly identify errors that occur in the system and can be fixed quickly to launch the use of this system. Next is a user interface. The system will include a user-friendly interface for staff and doctors to access patient information and medication they are taking. This interface can be accessed through a PC phone in their workroom. This is our project schedule summary. First, we have 5 phases in project schedule summary. First phase is initializing process. Second, planning process. Third, prepare schedule and cost baseline. To this, fourth is executing and phase 5 monitoring and controlling. For the phase 1, the project team will meet with stakeholder to gather requirement and understand the needs of the transportation company. Second, looking for information about suitable software and system for use by staff and doctors at the UM clinic. Third phase is the project team will create a schedule and cost guidelines that are used during the creation of this project. And fourth, executing the system is implemented according to the schedule and phase set. The system will test during the phase whether there are errors during the testing period before being used by the staff. And phase 5, UMIT and our group will control and monitor the system during the testing period. Okay, this is our project schedule. Okay, this is the total of the budget. For this budget is the total of for the project in 4 months is 65,600 ringgit Malaysia. This is our budget for the first month uh, in this project. This is uh, 33,600 ringgit. For the second month on award, the project will require 14,500 for the internet fees, electric bills and technical support. However, for the rest of items like computer table, computer charge and computer hardware update, the budget estimate table in the first month will only pay for on time. So the total budget for the next second month is 14,500 times by 5 months. The total for the 5 months after the first month is 72,500 ringgit Malaysia. This is next is specific quality requirement. In this clinic management system project, we need a computer that can work as a server and continue to run to perform tasks so that our system can work all day and well. We want a laptop or computer that is at least X644-bit and has a processor at least 2.6 GHz and Intel Core i5. This is because we can get and use the latest features and function for our system if we have Intel Core i5 or higher. From that, as a 2.6 GHz processor, our system should be able to run without any major lags and crash. Requirement for internet and electricity. This clinic management system requirement are reliable internet connection so that users can access our system without connection or data processing problem. To develop a better network, we choose Unify Malaysia, a company that offer high speed Malaysia. The monthly of Unify Bizlite plan is 200 ringgit Malaysia per month. Okay, this is our resource requirement. People, which is a UMIT, technician and UM clinic staff. Technology is internet, facility, computer, others the electricity, and another resource provider is hardware and software. Next is assumption and risk. First assumption used to develop estimate. To develop estimate for the clinic management system project, certain assumptions need to be met. They could include assumption about the project resource with time, cost, and scope. Next is a key risk, probability of occurs, and impact. In every project development, we carry a certain risk and it's essential to identify and research them to develop strategies for managing and mitigating them. The critical risks associated with the clinical management system could include technical problem, budget and schedule for patient and regulatory or market condition change. It is essential to assess the probability of the risk according their potential impact on the project to develop appropriate risk management strategy. Next is a constraint. Bodies constraint can affect the management system in the clinic, such as budget limits, regulatory requirement of the data management system and works. It is important to consider this constraint and develop strategies to work within them to assure project success. Next is the dependencies on the other project or area within or outside the organization. depends on the project or area within or outside the organization. The clinic management system schedule and simulation project may depend on the project area within outside the organization. Identify and evaluate this depends is essential to ensure project are properly aligned and any potential impact on risk are effectively managed. Outstanding issue. Sekali outstanding issue. The outstanding issue must be addressed in the case important to identify address them as the project planning process. Its critical issues can include solving technical challenge, delay budget schedule problem, or delay and with any other issues that may impact the success of the project. Project management system we have a change management plan. It is planned for those change management job to discuss organization change, support project goals, and effective communicators. Communication plan in this part, before we want to proceed, we need to understand first our parameter of the project, such as project size, client, developer time, and project team. Uh, we need to have frequently team interact with us on the project. This is scope management plan. A scope management plan with an essential component of the project of program management strategy. It displays the establish, develop, monitors, controls, and verify the project scope. Quality management is a quality management plan. This recommend that aside in the execution of quality management and quality assurance action by the project manager and the project team. Human resource, our human resource is the method used by the HR department determine present future hiring the training needs as a human resource, making sure the company has the correct talent distribute among its department in the goal of human resource. So the conclusion of this project is we develop we want to improve the system, the old system, to make a great system, which is a climate. We use a climate system because it will help the staff uh, help the staff to help the staff for the easy work for to record our patient for the for staff for record our patient sick. That's all for us. uh that's all for me. Thank you.